Perched on the edge of the world, a colossal Nike Air Max rises from the cliff like a monument to ambition. Every curve glows, every swoosh ignites. This isn't just a house, it's the ultimate flex. Step inside the beast. Sunlight pours through organic ovals while a molten gold swoosh floats overhead. Yellow leather commands the space, whispering one truth: you've already won. Welcome back to True Billionaire Stories. "12 seats, 1 table, 0 compromise." Black marble veins and liquid white curves set the stage for dinners that change empires. Here, every meal is a power move. Strike in style. 2 pristine lanes carved beneath the soul, bathed in gold and cyan. Yellow leather lounges wait between rolls. This is where billionaires come to play. The night belongs to the elite golden bar stools line a mirrored canal that runs straight to the city lights, while the swoosh watches from the shadows. One drink here, and you own the skyline. Deep inside the soul, where the cliff meets the skyline, lies a private gym sculpted from pure ambition. Yellow leather meets carbon fibre machines under golden light. Every rep here is a victory lap. Master Sanctuary, a floating yellow kingdom suspended above the city lights. Nike branded pillows crown a bed that curves like the mansion itself. This is where legends close their eyes and still own the night. don't forget, like, subscribe and share.